Today we're whipping up something extra special for lunch. Chickpea Salad Sandwiches. They're vegan, they're quick, easy, and trust me, you're gonna love them. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 2 cans of chickpeas, vegan mayo, celery, sweet relish, lemon juice, and shallots. All right, let's get started. First up, we're gonna rinse and drain our chickpeas. Make sure to give them a good rinse to remove any excess liquid. Next, dice up some celery and shallots. These are going to add a nice crunch and flavor to our salad. Now let's give our chickpeas a quick chop in the food processor. We want them to be broken down but still have some texture. The chickpeas are all ready. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of chopped celery, 2 shallots, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, and I'm just using it right out of the jar. 1 tablespoon of lemon, and finally 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. For this recipe, I used the vegan almonds. I'll drop a link below for where I buy it. The best deal is on Amazon. Store in an airtight bowl for up to 3 days in the refrigerator. And there you have it. Our delicious chickpea salad is ready to go. So I went ahead and toasted some gluten-free vegan bread. And I added some butter lettuce and some dill pickles to the sandwich. I'm gonna try. It's very crunchy. Very good. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious vegan gluten-free recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.